It's Mr. Movie Star.
Put everything down there. Towards the back. Don't let it beat you up when they watching.
The whole world's watching.
Move the machine close to the hole, man.
The whole world is watching.
They're gonna.
You don't have to show that. Just put the other table on. Put it up on YouTube.
No.
The title of the movie is what it be?
The great Ronnie Cooper Floyd.
Still need the key. Still need the key to put that thing in.
Don't tell him. You figure it out.
We're watching like 4 people.
It's harder. It's harder to use the key. You gotta you can do it. It's easier to do it with your hand. You got it going on the table as a handle. Yeah. They go in the handle.
Come on, listen to Raz.
Right.
You're pushing the cable. The machine's supposed to put the cable in on that either.
Good job, Ronnie. You went too far.
Right. You know,
Making you nervous, man. How are we making you nervous? You're not supposed to let us affect you. Now, question me. We ain't doing nothing.
no pressure, man. No pressure.
Well, that was great. That was what I said.
Only Ronnie would go too damn far.
He's so lit. Let go of the handle, put the table in, put the handle down, and then put the handle.
Ronnie, you haven't listened to one word Raz said.
I think you need to do it again, man.
Shut it off, Ronnie.
2 sides. Put it in the middle.
There you go.
Okay, here go the fun part.
Yeah.
The fun part.
Yeah, you putting it away. Get a better angle.
See, Ronnie?
I feel bad putting it away.
Still a lot left.
Should have put 5 on them, man. 3.
Ronnie might actually have done something right.
What?
Oh, there.
Oh,
There it goes.
she got away.
We had to say something.
You got to see how about it. He pulled the side table all the way.
Oh, wow.
You ain't gonna buy pie.
How was that, Ronnie?
Here you go, man.